Oh, it's on your hand?
Yeah.
1, 2. Buckle your shoe. 3, 4. Shut the door. 5, 6. Pick up 6. 7, 8. Lay and sleep. Do it again. Turn around. Put your head on.
Oh, you're going? Oh, mom hat.
No, Mommy doesn't want to wear it. Maybe Auntie Jamie. Oh, yeah, I'll wear it on my foot. So that's fine.
That's good.
There's the kitty.
The bush. Such a photo, mommy. The bush.
Can you say Aunt Jamie?
Who's this? Sophie, who's this?
And Jimmy.
And who's this?
Who's this? Grandma.
And who's this?
Can you say Missy?
Missy.
Oh,
Oh.
What's my name?
mommy.
What's my other name?
Mickey. Mickey.
Now count to 10. 1.
2.
Are you going to sing your ABCs?
See your ABC. A, B, C.
Now my camera's dead.
Uh-oh. Kenny's camera's dead.
No! Mommy, no!
You want me to turn it off?
Yes.
Can you smile?
Mommy.
Did Grandma fix your pigtails?
No.
See your hair. Did Grandma fix your pigtails?
No.
Where's Goober? We'll find him.
Where's Goober?
Mama, come. Hey.
Oh, he tried to go in.
Goober's in trouble.
Goober, naughty kitty. He has to go to timeout to the naughty spot.
Go inside, all I see is her ears sticking up from inside the suit.
Peggy.
She was having a popsicle.
No, Goober!
Come back.
Come back, Goober. She knows you're mad. She ran away. That's the end of Goober.
Goober! I'm not mad. Where did Goober go?
Sophie, say come on.
Come on, kitty. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty.
Where did Goober go?
You're on candid camera. So we can zoom in.